Come a little bit closer, let me show you how to go on. Look for the soup, man. Full of body. Good quality soup this. You get me? Nice lamb neck soup. So come, we go make some lamb neck soup. Let's go. Let's go make some lamb neck soup. Come on, guys. Let's go. Go on, you know what? As you see, you know what go on, you know what time it is. We're there in the kitchen. And today the rain falls, so we decide so we're gonna make some soup. So we need to go to the shop, we get some stuff, get some things, come back and make some soup. And then we can watch it pre, we can watch it flex, everything. So we're gonna follow me go to shop, so we're gonna go to shop, come back, get the stuff them, and then run the pot. You get me saying? Say yeah, come on, make we go to shop. I say we're there on way now, we go to shop, but as little rain fall in England to blood clot. You know, I go on the place get cold up. You know, you need the right soup. You get me? The soup, you need the right soup temperature. Like, warm up your body and you get me? Yeah, you not even have to drink them soup, you not even have to turn on the heater. So yeah, we're there on way. We go to the shop and we decide what kind of soup we make. We're gonna make some chicken foot soup, but I really feel the chicken foot soup right now. See if I can get a piece of lamb neck. That me I go see if I can get a piece of lamb neck and chop up that and make some soup. If they don't have the lamb neck, then I have to jump on the chicken foot soup. So yeah, I go out up on the shop. I don't know a big chef in the kitchen and that, so yeah, I don't reach up the home, I couldn't know how I go on. Yeah. Done sorted. Go to the next shop now, go get the rest of stuff them. And we are going to kick up a storm in the kitchen. Don't know how we go business, how we do business, innit? And food are cook up, some rain nephew are drink up, music are play, vibes are going in the kitchen. So yeah, I want to stay tuned and watch how I go.
Family. Me say family. Sure. If I want thing, we hate a fern killer. No believe in a fern killer. Family. And me say family. Sure. Me love me family, them do me heart. You be a red one of them. Reach me there to the end, there from me start. Real better them. And them no know when we are my tree sardine and one bone a rice from shop. And them no know when we are get chase my cocks and back and the hand ninja. And I know I'm making now. No struggle feel. No more of the pussy them. No who fucking real now make them treat me and kill me. No way, you must blood come on. Life are the greatest thing now. Me no let go, and me no let my God. Can't treat me and kill me. No way.
Yeah, we have everything we need right now. Kickstart the pot. And a normal thing I go go on that day. I want to stay tuned and watch the vibes and watch how I go on, innit? Yeah. When we reach back now, show you how I go on. I'll kick it off. Alright, we reach back now upon the guys there, get me sign. That time to kick off the ball rolling. See, we have the lamb neck right there, so. We have a pumpkin. We have a piece of yellow yam. We have sweet potato there. We have a scallion and thyme. We have a nice pepper. You see the flour. You know, and the cock soup. So yeah, we are going to kick it off. So we're going to kick it off by wash off the meat first. Yeah, like I said, you have to wash off the meat. Make sure you wash it off. Not with soap, you know. I'm going to wash it with no soap. Wash it with vinegar. Look on the water there. Sometimes, look on there. Yeah, so. And then you throw the vinegar on it. Use 1 2 teaspoons of vinegar and wash off the meat properly. Get me side. Sip on the water now. You see the water look now? Yeah. That's some seasoning for this now. Drain off this. And then that's some seasoning for me. I'll season it up first. See me? Look how the meat look clean and nice now. That's how the meat will look, man. That's how the meat will look, yeah? Clean. You know, we have got some seasoning for it. So let's get busy seasoning. So I'll put some all-purpose for them. All-purpose. I have the pimento and scotch bonnet. You get me? You need the pimento and the pepper. You know, so you need the pepper soup. A rain or falling, you go warm up your body. See? Got like a hot and spicy seasoning. Got like a ginger. Put ginger on it. Sorry. Yeah, you get me saying? Yeah, I want to put like a ginger. A little garlic powder on it too. And then I rub in that. Yeah? I rub in that and let that set that aside. The chicken, yeah, the boiled chicken. The lamb neck, get the flavour. Get me? And the boiled flavour in the soup. Rub in that. Yeah, let that now. Let that now for set. Let that now for go on. Marinate. Yeah, some people like put in them pumpkin late, some people like put in it early. I like put it in early. I want the pumpkin to boil out in the soup when I want to mash it up. You get what I'm saying? I want it to boil out. Boil with the meat. So by the time the meat will cook, the pumpkin boil out. And then the soup has that nice rich color. Make it look like you not even have to put the noodle in it. Not even put the cock soup in it. That's something like it. But that's why I peel the pumpkins up early. And then cook it up and put it in the pot. Make it boil with it. Make it boil with the with the lamb neck. Yeah. That are gonna make the soup nice. That are gonna help give the soup body from early. Get me? That are gonna help give the body from early. And the color. Body and the color it are gonna help give from early. When I go see what I go instead. Just stick around and peel the pumpkin here. And then I go see what I go. Peel them. And cut them up. I go see the whole full of it. I'm not going to stay through and I'm going to cook where I cook today. Today where I cook on that thing. Go roll out the buckle. Roll out the buckle. A buckle or something. Cook where I cook, don't worry. Like that now. Put some carrot in it. My carrot can't boil because carrot hardly. Carrot now go boil out so easy, you know. Carrot now go boil out so easy. See, I need to cook myself. I act like I don't know how to use the knife in the kitchen. Remember, everything we cook, once you peel it, you get me? You have to make sure you wash it off. So you can't too clean, you see me? Can't too clean. Make sure you wash it off. You get it nice little cup now. Put it in the pot. It don't really matter. It don't really matter the size or the cut or whatever. You can cut it anyway. You can even just throw them in the big same way. Yeah, cut them up a little bit. And then you put them in with the meat when the meat are boil. Everything to boil. The pumpkin and the meat are going to boil. And when the meat cook now, you can start make the dumpling and put in the dumpling, put in the yam, put in the potato, and then put in one noodle and taste it and see what I go on. I do everything now, I will stay and see what I go on. Now I want to say, when a day I will do it. When a day I will do it, I will show everything I go on. This is how we do it, yeah? throw the pumpkin in like straight away with the pumpkin. Straight away with the lamb neck. This now, this bowl, rinse it out. The water. Rinse it out with the water. Throw for it. Cover it. Make sure you cover it. Right? Make sure you cover the meat. Cover the meat and the pumpkin with the water. And let that to boil. Put that on the fire, make that go and boil from high fire. Put that on high fire, make that go and boil. Then turn on the fire now. Yeah, keep it on high. Throw that on it. And then let that now, make that go and boil. You can see how it goes. See it there? Adjust the pumpkin and the seasoned lamb neck in it. I go and cook. Just put that on, so let that go and boil up. Cover the pot now. Wait for that. And I'll come back and check it again later. After 15-20 minutes, I check the pot and see how it goes. Pot a bubble up, pot look good. Only for water still in it. Watch the color of the soup. The soup look like that, like ketchup color already. So make sure you don't have to check the pot, you know, you don't have to check the pot regular. Because you don't want the water to dry out. You have to make sure so the water always there above the meat. So right now, the water look alright. So all we have to do, I just leave it like this, make it go and boil. Check it every minute, check the meat, see if the meat are cooked. And then keep on update from what I remember, you know, what you don't know. A rain a fall out there, I boil some soup or Jamaican ends out style. I will have the vibes. I will have to see the whole work. Everything we have to see what I want. Don't worry. Yeah? We're there. Yeah, we need to check the pot again, so I'll go on it. So I'll go and make sure so the water the pot, see. Yes, me I say, water dry out of the pot. We need some more water and everything. We have to make sure so you have enough water in it to cover the meat, to keep the meat going. Get some water and throw it in. Yeah? Pull in the bucket of water. Better if you use cold water because the cold water will tenderize the meat and then it will make the meat quicker to cook. Like if you get the hot water after the cooking, that's how I keep it boiling. You notice everything sink now. Everything sink, which is right, that's what you want. All of that I will just sink now. And in the cold water, by the time it start boil up back again, the meat will get so tender.
Later that same evening.
Yeah, I could check how I go on again, you know. I'm going to check the pot in it. Good like a hot minute, I'm going to check it. Because the pot will boil up and the color of the soup, man. So I need to check the meat. That smells nice, then, you know. That smells really nice. You like it, I cook already too. You like it, I cook already. You know what this mean? Put a piece of the meat on this and then cut. Wow, that's it. That's really soft, isn't it? Yes, man. That is really soft. Ready already. Really soft. So I'm leaving it now. Start at the dumpling on that. Wash your hands. jump in the flour them now in the pot. Let's make some spinners. I like big, I like raw dumpling in the soup. Let's make some nice fat spinners. Put in the soup. I like raw dumpling in the soup. The pot can look like it at the manager to boil up. Yeah. You want to have night. Make the yellow yam go and boil a little bit. Then you have to put your sweet potato in it. You know the yellow yam will cook before the sweet potato. Now, if you need to add more water to the pot, you can add hot water to the pot. It's just now you have to add the hot water in your kettle. Hot up your kettle, so you got the hot water to pour in it. And this look like the pot look like it's too small. I'm not even put in yam yet and potato and watch it. It's full up. Maybe I'm going to get a bigger pot. Maybe I'm going to get a bigger pot, so let's see what I go on instead. That go and boil a little bit and see what I go. That go and cook on the color. See what I'm saying? Yeah. Let's see what I go on. Mix up the pot and make it, see what I go on. Yeah. So it's that time now. Put in the yam in the pot, you get me? Yeah. Peel up the yam, cut it up, dice it up nice. And big yam in the pot in it. But I'm afraid of this yam. Yellow yam will scratch out your blood seed. I will peel it with caution. Yeah. Yam in the pot, then potato. You know, yam will take a lot of a cook. Yeah. Easy to peel when you put it up like that, innit? I will cook up the soup. Warm up the body, you get what I'm saying? Yeah. And the potato in a bit to get the little body. Get the soup nice up. Fast, alright? Yeah. Wow, pot looks good. And I'm telling you something, maybe I have to transfer the pot. I got going. The other pot was too wicked. Pot look good, man. Sure, the pot look nice. I tell you, say, oh, the dumpling are going out, the cock soup are not going out, the dumpling are ugly though. You're putting on a watch that. Get the yam then about 10 minutes. And then we'll peel the potato and show the potato in there with the scallion and the thyme. And left that to go and cook it for 5-10 minutes again and then show the new play night and yeah, ready up there. And all the time there again, I peel up the potato now. Inside. Yam then at the pot a good little time of warm boil. Peel up the potato, show the potato in the pot. Ready up again. Just go and show the noodle everything in it guys. You potato and the noodle that take around the same time to cook in it. Yeah, you know, gonna really take long to cook. You can show everything in the same time. So you can cook it up nice. Round, nice and round and wash them off and show it in the pot. Yeah, cook on this soup, watch it. Boom, show that tonight. Now we have to do now. Wash off piece of thyme, piece of scallion, pepper, and show it right now. Get inside to go and stink up the whole place. Whole place, you get inside. The scallion thyme, you know. Scallion, the scallion knows the thyme of the master, you know that? Even scallion knows the thyme of the master.
Above all the good things of the world, health is the divine gift to be found by those who take care to guard it well. Utterance! Is it food? Make food come first. All them hype up and not up one. Say them wicked and them tough. Make food come first. Exact state and my people. Baby, gonna please listen up.
Just left that now, let that pan boil. At 5 minute time, chuck in the noodle. And then we're done. I land the boat land. Yes, the boat land. Yes, the boat land. Yeah, man, look for the soup, man. Look for the bumbo class soup for the soup, yo. Color, yeah, I'm saying, soup look nice. I'm not even putting a noodle in the soup. Look on it, look on it. Bumbo, look for a guan, look for a guan in the pot there. Yeah, I'm saying, just I'm going to show you the noodle tonight. See that? Just I'm going to show that tonight. And we are going to show that tonight and sprinkle it all over tonight. And then we are going to left that, and then we are going to taste it, and then we are going to see if you want more. You get me saying? We are going to look at taste test. If you want the next one, we'll put the next one in it. Now, just put one in it, make it go and boil it up a little bit. You get me? One buckler, look on it, man. Look like you want a little more water still. You can put some more water in it because definitely look like you need a little more water. So I'm by the guys who was watching from the beginning, from the guy's shop and come back, I'm going to get everything and watch me clean up the meat, everything. You get me saying? So I'm not going to be proud of myself, man. You're proud of myself. You know what? Why I share with a little bowl. I share with a bowl. I'm going to share a bowl for you guys when you finish, eh? When you finish. Yeah, man. You get what I'm saying? Look what I'm going now, the soup done, you know. Last up, can lock off the fire now. Noodle them boil, everything cook. And now it's time to share you guys a nice little bowl of soup. Get a piece of meat tonight. Inside you. Yeah, the soup done. And now we are going to taste it and see what I got. Wow. Wow. Yes, that's nice. That's really nice. Rich, nice, flavorful soup. You get me saying, look, come closer, look, come a little bit closer. Come a little bit closer, let me show you how I go on. Look for the soup, man. Full of body, good quality soup this. You get me? Nice lamb neck soup.
Much later.
The soup was nice. The soup was bad. The soup was amazing. Everybody enjoyed the soup. Guys, thank you so much for watching till here. Hope you like the video. Share it to your friends. Share it to your family. Leave your comment and let me know what you want me to cook next. And until next time, I'll see you guys.